Assalamu alaikum friends, here is light overlay, but these are protected password in my app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri escape, buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me, and now here is offer, star to offer. Password app is 60% off and 1500 plus GB premium graphics data. That this category is 50% off now in $10. Okay, follow this page. And last is my Telegram channel. Subscribe this, and I will provide every video of link first here, so you can watch and download data. Okay, here is overlay. I know you can use very easily. Open in Photoshop, and now we need a image. For example, I use this one. Drag there, or sorry, we need this search size. Okay, 1360 13. Okay, then now drag here, right click and click on screen or lightning, depend your choice. Here is overlay, soft light, hard light. Screen is better. Now select any other photo like this one and drag there. Now okay, so you can apply any other design like this one or this one. Here is a portrait. You see, that's simple. Just apply your image as overlay, click on screen, loud lighting, depend your photo color or resolution, brightness or contrast. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Here is a premium unlimited data in offer. Take care, Allah Hafiz.